The worm begins searching under the earth, its home, water, air, a tree, a bird. Underneath the box, outside the box, an abacus, counting letters, a pen, a sword, a dead man, hanging on the hill, the town of Slough, a base from which all things come, the green projection on a canvas, a rubber tire, a reflection, stuck to each other. Underneath, revealed, discovered, the guilt, the Gilded Age, the machine, the powdered bones, the wires crossed, the crossed minds, the angry love, the end of bread, the water of your eyes, the soft and the still, the wooden man, the Godhead looking down, its sunny disposition, guided only by truth. A user story, an empty shell, dead.